So, a while back, the channel passed 100,000 subscribers, a very huge milestone I've been working very hard to achieve for a long period of time. So it says presented to Tech Drone Media for passing 100,000 subscribers. And as a token of my appreciation, I've decided to host a giveaway where you have a chance to win the following. A BetaFPV Drone kit, which is basically this little kit that comes in this nice bag, where you have everything that you need to sort of pick up and learn to fly FPV. It comes with the FPV drone, the goggles, as well as the remote, and 2 batteries and a charger. If you're into recording videos with your cell phone and you lack some sort of stability once in a while, you will have the chance to win the brand new OSMO Mobile 6. If you're interested in first-person view, trying to see what the drone actually sees when it flies around, and don't want to take the full step into FPV, you have the chance to win this drone mask that will allow you to incorporate your cell phone into these goggles and then get an immersive feeling to see what the drone actually sees when you fly around. This solution requires that you fly one of the older drones that have like a cell phone that is used for primary display. But I tell you, once it's hooked up and you're airborne, it's quite an impressive feeling. Once you've been out recording, you might have a bunch of files that you want to edit, but you need a suitable editor to get the job done. And you find the free alternatives on the market are not either suitable for the task that you want to do, or it's simply too complicated to get started. Now you have a chance to win a free license for the Movavi video editor. And what they are known for is to produce one of the most beginner-friendly video editors that is currently on the market. I have made videos about this editor in the past and you seem to really like it. So it makes perfectly sense that this is included in the giveaway too. And I will be releasing a minimum of 6 videos over the next period of time that will support the use of this editor. So maybe you're not all that into video and you just want to capture some really amazing photos with your drone. And those quite often need a little bit of editing as well. And that's why I'm happy to announce that you have a chance to win a free license to the Lumina Neo Photo Editor Suite. There's a lot of great photo editing programs out there, but I am particularly keen on the one from Skylum, the Lumina Neo. It makes everything really easy to achieve stunning results. It has a panorama extension as well that makes it super easy for you to stitch individual photos into an amazing panorama image. It can do that with video as well. Now you have a chance to win a free license by participating in this giveaway. This giveaway will run until end of October, and these are the following conditions for you to be able to win. Start by liking the video. Next, head down to the comment section and tell me where you're from and what you're currently flying. Once you have done that, then make sure that you have pressed the subscribe button, because that's a condition as well for you to be able to win. The final requirement is that you have a valid email address listed under the About section on your own YouTube page. I will pick the winners from the comments by using a random picker tool. And if you comply with the rules stated, you will be able to win. Comments added after the deadline has expired will be ignored and will not participate in the giveaway. Once the winners have been picked, the procedure will be: I will notify you directly by email through the email that's listed under the About section on your own YouTube page. You will provide me with the shipping address, and if it's a software license that you have won, I will simply send you the license key directly using that email. Please allow me a few days to expedite this, and then check back in the description where I will list the winners of the giveaway. Please be aware of scammers. They are like flies on a turd when we are doing something like this. I will never ask you to do anything directly in the comments. So make sure that the email address is updated on your YouTube page, as I'll be using this one to contact you. And if it's not updated or I don't get any reply within a reasonable time frame, I will pick another winner. Please note this giveaway is in no way affiliated with YouTube. It is the sole initiative and responsibility of Tech Drone Media. Good luck, and if you happen not to win in this giveaway, I've actually planned quite a few more that you will find interesting that I will spread out during the rest of the year. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. You already did that, because otherwise you could not participate. Feel free to press the dislike button twice, in which case you will be disqualified. Take care and see you on the next one.